we're getting ready for kindergarten. Today, we're practicing fine motor skills. These activities help your child develop the hand strength they need to hold a pencil, use scissors, and turn the pages of a book. You'll need your gator grabber, critter counters, and the number cube from your kindergarten readiness kit. All right, we're gonna play Red Rover, Red Rover. I'm gonna grab some of my critters. I'm gonna lay them on a flat surface like this. And we're gonna play Red Rover, Red Rover. I'll show you. Red Rover, send a purple dragonfly over. Ta-da! Now your turn. Red Rover, send a yellow bee over. Awesome! Okay, Red Rover, send another yellow bee over. Yay! Awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna practice with our numbers too. I'm gonna roll the cube. Let's see what number we get. Ready?
Okay.
We got 1. Okay, send 1 red caterpillar over. We did it! High five. Awesome. Check out pages 8 and 9 in your parent guide for more activities to practice fine motor skills. Your child can also use the gator grabber to pick up small items around your house. Have fun and happy learning. You can register for kindergarten for the upcoming school year and receive your free kindergarten readiness kit by visiting palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten.